Hi everybody. This vehicle is a 2006 Chevy Uplander, and today I'm working on the right rear wheel. This vehicle has a problem where as you're driving down the road and going over bumps, there's a banging noise that's coming from this area. And I've already gone over the rear suspension, shocks, springs, trailing arms, bushings, even the exhaust system, and I can't find anything loose that's making any noise except for this rear brake caliper. So I've left the wheel lugs on so that I can hold the rotor still, but if I reach back here and grab the brake line, and basically I'm actually just wiggling the hose itself, so which already has flex, and this thing's still banging around. So actually, let me try to grab on the end of the line right there, so the metal part. And I'm pretty sure this is where the noise is coming from. It's kind of hard for me to make it really pronounced. But I think when you're driving down the road, you have the weight of the car and the axle bouncing up and down. I think that's where the noise is coming from. So what would cause that? Most likely the pin bushings. So if we just come underneath here real quick and look at the back of the caliper, there's two bolts that hold the caliper onto the caliper mount. So we've got one up top and one down in the bottom. And those pins, at least on one of them, there should be a rubber bushing on the end of the pin. And that's there to keep the caliper quiet. And I'm pretty sure that it's not there. So I think that's where the noise is coming from. So pretty cool. Well, if you have any questions or any comments, post them below. And thanks for watching. And if you like my videos, please subscribe.